In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide in adding a song to an Instagram post you've already shared. First, go to the Instagram app and click on the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And you can slide down and see the post that you've shared before. Click on that and you can see the three-dot icon. Click on the edit option, but you can see that there is no any option for add any music. So what you can do is repost the post again with music. Click on done. What I'm about to do is go to the home page, click on the plus icon and click on the post that I want to share. So I'll go here and click on next. Click on next again. If you want to add filters, then you can add filters in the previous page. Then click on add music and browse music. For now, let me choose my music and you can choose the person of music that you want to add and click on share. And now your post has been shared with music. Go to your account and your post has been shared with music. Enjoy your Instagram. Thank you.